Alright, boys and girls, we're live on Twitch. It's about here in the footage that I realized that most of the audio during the stream is completely unusable. We didn't realize till later, in fact in a completely different stream, that the laptop that is running the stream is also capturing audio, which results in there being an echo on the entire stream that is completely beyond my abilities to edit out. And then at some point we turn off our little wireless microphones, so you can't hear anything we're saying or doing on deck later. So just enjoy. This will be mostly a montage, and I'll pop in for some voiceover as needed. So I actually did a trial run the night before with the KiwiGrip by myself on the foremost part of the deck here, just to see how easy it would go on and if it would dry relatively quickly. And it did. Unfortunately, it rained a little bit the night before, so I'm just pointing out the couple areas that got a little bit messed up, but nothing unrecoverable. So it was a very successful first attempt and gave us some confidence for today. And then I'm just showing off here how much deck we actually ended up filling in, how much of this pink gel coat repair actually went on, including all around the wedges. The wedges themselves we're not going to paint during this stream. We're going to kind of handle them separately because we still have a little bit of epoxy work to do on those. But we're pretty much ready to go. We're just going to sand down and clean, and then we will be able to start painting. So applying the KiwiGrip actually works best in this sort of tag team method. So Jack's actually going ahead of me with the bag of KiwiGrip itself, putting down a layer and then sort of spreading it out with a trowel. And then I'm chasing behind him with the roller to sort of spread it all the way out and add the texture with those peaks and valleys that the roller provides. So this is working really well. We have to go a little bit fast because the KiwiGrip actually dries in like 10 to 15 minutes, and this was a pretty warm, sunny day. So a little bit stressful, but we got it done, and it ended up looking great. And then pretty much immediately after putting it down, you want to pick up the tape so that it doesn't dry on top, and that'll ensure a nice clean edge. We are super happy with the way it turned out. So even though we had audio issues, good stream. Bye.